Hey, what's going on, guys? Back with another video. This time going to the SoCal and Hyundai meetup, which is gonna be the largest Hyundai N meetup in Southern California. So excited there. There was a few previous Hyundai meetups up north at the Laguna Seca Raceway that I wasn't able to attend, but wanted to always go to a meetup and wasn't gonna miss this one. So gotta get the car ready to show off and to show out, and excited. Gonna be a lot of N cars there. I think it's projected to be about 60 N cars with 10 Konas. So that's cool to see. I've only seen one out in the wild. And of course, you guys know Derek. I don't count that because I know him. He's the homie and he's helping running the event. So shout out to him, and shout out to Cardinaleway Hyundai for throwing the event and sort of sponsoring it. I guess, I don't know what you would want to call it, but they're a big help in getting it set up and should be cool. I want to see if I can meet up with some other Hyundai and just N owners that I follow on Instagram. So that should be fun to kind of see and show out at the N community. So excited there. As far as prep, you'll see I am going to I'm going to do some exterior mods. I have some red trim that I want to try out in the car. So here's a clip of me installing it. And then I am going to obviously get the car ready for Saturday and get it washed up because it's looking the hell dirty right now. So stay tuned. Here it is mocked up, and I'm not gonna film me applying it because that'll be boring, but let's see what it looks like on the final. Dusty. It's been seen better days, but yeah, let's get her washed up. Super early, couldn't get much sleep, was too excited. Gonna show you what I have packed up. Detailing items, of course. Gotta have something to clean it with some microfibers. Got some goodies here, I'm not sure. Maybe part of the showcase. I don't know why, but I think these are always cool to have. Gotta have the camera. Then you got some merch items. Gotta have the new NGS hat, sneak peek, as well as some Kona Rascal club t-shirts that I'm gonna give away to a few Kona N owners that hit me up on Instagram. So gotta get the essentials packed, I guess, and definitely gotta get coffee. So stay tuned. Gotta stay hydrated. Let's get this cold start in. Got the homie here.
What's up?
Co-pilot.
We lost.
Alright, gonna head out, meet up with another N homie in Glendale, and then we'll head to the spot, so stay tuned. Looks like we're in the right spot. Do this. Gonna try and enter that car show. Gonna get on Hyundai N worldwide. What's up, sir? How's it going? Running the thing over here.
Oh yeah, you know.
Trying to get this number. Yeah, let me enter my lowly Kona.
75 to 100 Hyundais.
Oh damn! That like jumped from the last time.
No pressure on the shoulder.
Yeah, you handle it like a boss.
Sticker for the windshield.
Okay,
sir.
where do I put it? Top.
Wherever you want on the windshield. Just as long as the Luis, he has a clipboard. Just sign it, and then he's also gonna give you some wristbands, coffee, donuts, food, whatever the hell you want.
Hell yeah.
Okay. Awards. Just keep your car clean.
Okay, I'm gonna try to dust it down. Yeah. All right, man. Thanks, Derek.
All right.
That's cool as well. Kona's got to hold down the entrances, right? Shout out Ramos on the bay.
Cardinaleway Hyundai of Monte. I helped organize this with the awesome guys, Kagan and Derek. If we just give them a round of applause, please. Woo! I want to go ahead and give an awesome, warm welcome to the mayor of El Monte, who actually supported this wholeheartedly, along with the team here. We have Mayor Kona.
Hey!
Thank you for being here, or should I say thank you? Thank you for putting this event together. I know many of you are part of the SoCal N Club, and to be able to come together as a community to share what you've done and get ideas from one another.
Furthest
This is
driven.
Bruno, everybody. He drives the red Kona N. It's over there. From San Jose, in the Bay.
Hey!
NorCal N in the house.
Yeah!
Mr. Kelly Kona N.
We took home. We took it home.
Is number 63.
So these are the third and second place winners of the best N overall. I unfortunately did not get shots of their cars though.
Who's first place? Anybody? Anybody think they're first place? It's an Elantra.
Hey!
Okay. It's black.
Gotta be this guy. There you go. Come
It
on.
has a lot of carbon fiber.
Yeah, it's gotta be you, man.
Aaron, come on up.
Hey! Glendale!
First place, first place.
Hey, I'll see you around Glendale. Congrats, man. See you, Aaron. Alright, meet's done. People are rolling out. Awesome that we got Best Kona. Thank you guys who voted. Was this awesome to see? It was a great time.
Oh, that's a good one.
This is the Kona N crew of California.
Much appreciated. Later.
See ya. Man. Hey, so editing the video right now. Yeah, just some thoughts for after the meets, the next couple days, and shout out again to Derek and Keegan at the SoCal N Club and the SoCal Enthusiasts Club who put the event together, as well as the city of El Monte. It was awesome to kind of see that the sort of local community helped support put on the meet. Also, obviously stoked to get voted for Best Kona N, so it goes to show that the hard work is being recognized, and being able to collaborate and work with guys like Keegan, who's part of the Hyundai N class of influencers for this year. Did an interview with him and hopefully it gets seen or posted to Hyundai N worldwide. Do want to do more content that's recognized within that space, but at the same time, or at the end of the day, as long as the content that I'm doing is being recognized by all you guys who are Kona N owners, or just N owners in general. Like a few people came up and said they watched the video, so it's awesome to see. And yeah, just hope I can continue to kind of produce this type of content. We'll see how far it takes me, but I know I've seen and sort of posted some of my merch. So hopefully that's coming soon, so stay tuned. I know people have been hitting me up for the Kona N Rascal Club shirts, so I'm trying to get that situated so I can get a storefront up for you guys. And yeah, I just want to say thank you again for not just the local support here in California, but in terms of, you know, the support that I've seen online and internationally and just everywhere, just online who've hit me up. I just want to say thank you, and stay tuned. You know, hopefully I'll be able to get more mods, more reviews, different types of video content. So again, with that said, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.